In this video, you're going to learn how to set up a Solfare hot wallet, and you're going to learn how to fund that wallet directly using MoonPay. I've navigated directly to solfare.com, and you're going to find a link to this in the resources of the course. Make sure you use the right link, otherwise you could be subject to a phishing scam. And it's easy as just changing one letter in the URL and having everything identical, and it's quite a common scam. Once we've navigated to SolScan, we have an option to download. But first, why did I choose SolScan? Well, it supports hardware wallets. From directly within the wallet, you can stake and earn, you can connect to apps, you can buy, store, send and swap crypto, and you can manage your NFTs. They also have a live chat and some support if you need it, and a learning academy. We're going to download this wallet now. When we select download, it identifies the platform that you're using. So it's identified that we're using Edge Chrome. So I'm going to select download. And when I do, this is going to download to my browser bar. So we can now select add to Chrome. And this is just a double check to allow it to add it to Chrome. And we can see it's downloading and being added to Chrome now. So I'm going to select the little icon, and this brings me directly to Solfare. Now in here, if you have a hardware wallet, continue with your hardware wallet. And I'd advise you take the time to work out how to connect your hardware wallet because it is more secure. We're going to go straight to I need a new wallet. And when we do this, we get our recovery phrase. This is a 12-letter or a 12-word phrase, and you should never, ever, ever share this. Write it down and keep it safe. Solfare give you the option as well to download it. And once you download it, you can use their upload feature to re-upload it instead of typing it all in. So I'm going to select download, and that'll download to our computer. Then I'm going to move on to I saved my recovery. Next, you can either copy and paste your words back in or upload. So when you select upload, you navigate to where the file is stored and select the file. And that will upload the words for you. Then you press continue. Now you need to set up a password. And this password is so you can gain access when you just lock your wallet. Next, you'll be asked to follow on Twitter. I'm going to say not now. And we are now in our setup wallet. Up here, we can see the funds we have in our wallet. And we can see we don't have any funds available in our wallet at the moment. This here is very important. This is your address. You use this to receive funds. So if you're sending yourself funds or if somebody else is sending you funds, you use this. You can copy it, selecting this copy icon, or you can get the QR code by selecting the icon beside the copy icon. When you select the receive button, you also get the QR code. We're going to look at the send option in a later video. Up here, we can see this is our portfolio. We have a tab for activity. So when we start making transactions, they're going to show up in here. We also have a tab for staking, which we're going to look at in another video. We have a swap, which we're also going to look at in another video. And collectibles is where you can quickly receive and view your NFTs. So I've just hopped back there to portfolio. In our account options, we can add new accounts. So we can have more than one account within the wallet. We can also log out, but this is going to completely log you out and you'll need your recovery phrase to get back in. In our settings, we can see which account we're in at the moment. If we have multiple accounts, we'll see which one. The network, we can add things to the other people's wallets to our address book. And we also have security. Security allows you to hide balances. So that means when you have balances, somebody looking over your shoulder won't be able to see what you have. And that's great if you're out in public anywhere. We also have the auto lock, and this will lock your wallet by 15 minutes. So you can change the time in there of when you want the auto lock to sit in. Now from in here, you can also quickly lock your wallet. So if you're moving away from your device or something, you can lock your wallet. And to unlock it, you need to use the password that you used when you were setting your wallet up. Down here we have the assets, and there's only one asset loaded into this wallet at the moment, and that's the Solana token. And the Solana is the native token of the Solana blockchain. We can see the current price of this, and then we can see how much we have, and we can see we don't have any of this at the moment. Now you can fund your wallet directly from within here using MoonPay. If we click to expand, in here we can see we can buy and we can send. For this, we're going to quickly take a look at buy. This brings us to MoonPay. Now you do need to set yourself up with an account on MoonPay before you can fully use it. But once you're set up, you can buy your cryptocurrency using your general online payment method for other purchases. So you specify how much you want to spend, and it'll tell you how much that you'll get for that price. If euro isn't your local currency, you can select from all the different local currencies here. Once you do this, you then press continue, and then you can enter with your email, or you can sign in with Google Plus and continue, and you'll go through the purchase process, as I said, like you would do with any other online payment. So that's how you can buy your cryptocurrency and fund your wallet directly using MoonPay. So some important stuff to remember, this is your address. Don't forget when you are leaving your computer to lock it so people aren't looking over your shoulder at it. And in the security option, do take in mind that balances can be visible to people that are looking over your shoulder, and consider hiding your balances. And that will help keep your tokens secure.